Hey, savvy viewers, welcome back to Insurance World TV, where we break down the complex world of insurance into bite-sized, understandable pieces. Today, we're diving deep into the real-life journey of an ordinary person navigating the labyrinth of insurance policies. Buckle up because we're about to unveil the thrilling, sometimes perplexing, and occasionally nerve-wracking experiences that individuals face when dealing with insurance, from purchasing that first policy to the nail-biting moment of making a claim. Insurance, it's a financial safety net, a protector of dreams, and let's be honest, a confounding puzzle for many. In this episode, we're not just talking theory, we're bringing you the first-hand account on how to battle the challenges, confront the fears, and embrace the roller coaster of experiences that come with insurance dealings. Whether you're a seasoned policyholder or a newbie contemplating your first coverage, stick around. Our storyteller is about to spill the beans on the twists, turns, and surprises that come with the territory. So, grab your popcorn, hit that like button, and let's jump into the fascinating world of insurance from a unique perspective. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Insurance World TV and on Twitter at Insure World TV. Insurance jargon can be defined as industry-specific lingo that can often appear as a foreign language to many, making it a hurdle in understanding policies and their coverage. So, how do we tackle this challenge? By seeking the assistance of professional insurance brokers or agents who can decode this intricate language into layman's terms. Stay tuned as we progressively unravel these complexities and equip you with solutions to surmount them. Comparing insurance policies poses a challenge. It's like comparing apples to oranges, with each policy offering different coverages and exclusions. The key here is to focus on your specific needs and use comparison tools available online to find the best fit. Many grapple with the challenge of determining the right amount of coverage. It's a balancing act between not wanting to overinsure and waste money, and not wanting to underinsure and risk insufficient coverage. Consulting with a financial advisor could provide valuable guidance. The cost of insurance premiums can be a significant obstacle. High premiums may deter individuals from purchasing insurance. However, remember that the cost of not having insurance when disaster strikes could be much higher. Shop around and look for competitive rates. Number 5 challenge is, the fear of claim denial is very real. The thought that after paying premiums, a claim might be rejected is frightening. To avoid this, ensure that all information provided to the insurance company is accurate and complete. 6th, there's the challenge of policy renewal. Changes in circumstances might mean that a once suitable policy is no longer adequate. Regularly review your policies and update them as necessary. 7th, the fear of not being able to afford the deductible often preoccupies policyholders. The solution is to set aside an emergency fund that can cover the deductible should the need arise. Number 8, the fear of hidden clauses is another concern. The fear that there might be hidden clauses that could affect claims is common. Carefully read the policy document and ask for explanations of any unclear clauses. Ninthly, the challenge of keeping up with changes in regulations and laws that affect insurance policies can be overwhelming. Staying informed by subscribing to insurance news updates can help. Lastly, there's the fear of dealing with insurance companies. The thought of navigating through the red tape and bureaucracy can be daunting. However, remember that you have rights as a policyholder and assert them when necessary. In conclusion, insurance can seem like a daunting world filled with challenges and fears. However, with the right information and assistance, it's possible to navigate this world successfully. From understanding insurance jargon to dealing with insurance companies, each challenge has a solution. Similarly, fears like claim denial and hidden clauses can be addressed with due diligence and careful reading of policy documents. So, while insurance may seem complex, it's a manageable complexity with the right approach. Remember, the goal is to ensure that you're protected and that your hard-earned assets are safe.